Welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin, and for today's video I'm here with this white sugar skull Halloween makeup look. So I really hope that you guys will enjoy this one, and if you want to know how to get this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. For this look, first I'll start with concealing my brows. For that, first I'm applying some glue stick on my brows with a spoolie, and then to set that I'm applying a translucent powder with a sponge. And then on top, to completely conceal it, I am applying the Kryolan paint stick in the shade FS24. Using that same sponge, I am going to blend that out. Here I am color correcting my under eyes and the sides of my mouth. Here I am applying some foundation to get an even skin tone. For concealer, I have used the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Yellow. I am applying it on the centers of my face, and then with the Real Techniques Beauty Blender, I am blending everything out. And with the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder, I am going to bake my face. Now with a powder brush, I am dusting off the excess powder. Now I am going to contour my face with the Rimmel Kate Moss Contouring Kit mixed in with a little bit of a grey eyeshadow. Now I will start outlining the skull with a white pencil eyeliner. Before drawing the teeth, I am going to shade around my mouth as well with a contouring shade and a dark brown eyeshadow. And then with a non-toxic white acrylic paint, I am going to start drawing out the teeth. I'm drawing in the nose part as well. For the eye socket, first I'm taking a black eyeshadow and I'm applying it around the edges, and then for the middle part, I'm applying a dark brown eyeshadow. And to frame the eye socket, I am applying some white dots around it. Here I am drawing out the forehead part. Then I'm adding some white circles around my chin as well. Now I will start shading the teeth with a black and brown eyeshadow so that it looks more realistic. Here I'm shading the sides of my nose and the patterns on my forehead. And by the way guys, later on I added some white falsies that I made by myself using some white eyeliner and a cheap pair of lashes. So you can do that too very easily if you want to.
And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!